Do you want to get rid of facial fat and carve out that chiseled jawline? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing the essential tips and tricks to help you tone your face and boost your confidence all in just 2 minutes. So, let's dive in. First up, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated flushes out the toxins, reduces bloating, and keeps your skin firm and healthy. Next, you gotta focus on your diet. Reduce your intake of salt, sugar, and processed foods, which can cause bloating and puffiness. Instead, you should opt for whole foods rich in antioxidants like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. And everybody knows that the diet isn't the whole piece of the pie. Now, let's talk about exercise. Overall body fat reduction is the best way to lose face fat. You should combine cardio workouts like running or cycling with strength training to burn calories and tone your muscles. Because if you didn't know, your face has muscles too. So, don't forget to target your face. Try these facial exercises. Chew gum to activate your jaw muscles. Do the fish face exercise by sucking in your cheeks and holding for 10 seconds. Next, jaw clenches. Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth and smile. And something a lot of people don't know, good posture also matters. Keep your neck straight and shoulders back. Poor posture can make your jawline less defined over time. And lastly, get enough sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours at night would be great, because sleep deprivation can lead to water retention and puffiness. So make sure to get enough rest. And remember this, patience is key. Consistency with these tips will bring you results over time. And that will be it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs these tips. And I'll see you next time. Peace.